Okay, here we have a small wave in the ocean. The ocean's got a lot of waves. There's one right there, a swell coming in. In space, these will be ripples created by a black hole or something. These ripples in space can actually be harnessed energy, and just like right here, these ripples right here or energy waves from time and space. Actually, the fabric itself has ripples coming from a black hole, and they might be detectable. And actually, you can use it in theory as a energy source if it's constant. So even if you have small ripples, those ripples can actually serve as a energy source. Here we have this aircraft, or more like a spider aircraft. In this one, you could have several legs, but this one's got 4. In the bottom section, let's say it's for example purposes for one ton, and if you spin that in G forces by several thousands of G's, or in this case, let's say 100 million G's. So that 1 ton will be 100 million tons. So that extra increase in mass by speed, basically, if you know your science, any moving object that moves gains weight. So if this object spinning exponentially to 100 million G's velocity, so basically 100 million Earth gravities spinning, that means that this mass will increase from one ton to 100 million tons. So that leaves a dent on the fabric of time, because it is a surface, a fabric of time. So here you have 4 legs in this swell or ripple from a black hole or from whatever. So if space has a lot of ripples, and this ripple will raise one leg, and then on the other side you can see it lowers down. So it'll go up and down. The up and down motion will register inside the more like just imagine an alternator. Move inside the alternator, or basically move the arm up and down, and that's could be used for electrical purpose, like generators, anything that moves that inside alternator. Actually, it's just for example, it's obviously be different generators that actually, or alternators, futuristic, but the up and down motion from these ripples can be actually captured into energy. So remember, these circles are basically mass that dents the bottom, so they could capture the up and down motion of the ripples. So this is one form of reusable energy from the ripples.